Let's draw a cute hairy spider. So first imagine a circle and start drawing rough lines to form a circular shape. The hairy lines on the left will flow downward. The lines on the right will also flow downward. Just keep drawing more and more lines in this downward manner until you're pleased. This is the body of the cute little hairy spider. Make some strokes lighter than others. Press harder for darker strokes. This will add depth to your spider, making it look more professional. Now we'll add cheek marks and oval eyes and eyebrows. Next, add fangs and a mouth. The legs are very easy. Just draw a line out and then swoop down, making the leg curved. I draw 6 long legs and then 2 shorter ones in the front. Don't forget a web string for the spider to hang from. Now you can get fancier. Darken things up a bit if you like. Add little points to the end of the legs. The spider's almost done. Just add some more hairs. Then thicken up the legs where they meet the body. That's it. Your spider might look a little different than mine when you're done. It'll be your own unique creation. Have fun! And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.